Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com. We're back in Las Vegas. Today we're at the Cosmopolitan Hotel and Casino right here on the Strip. We're on the 39th floor, room 3947. I want to give you a look at this room. This is our first time staying at the property. We visited the restaurants and casino many times, but this is our first time actually in a room. So I want to show you what this looks like. Huge big screen TV, lots of space. I love the decor in this hotel. Also love the fragrance. They actually sell it in the gift shop. It's so good. So as you can see, huge desk area, really neat decor. You can see on the wall right there, that's actually a partially see-through wall from the walk-in shower. I'll show you that in just a second. Right now we're going to look at the cabinet that contains the refrigerator and the mini bar. They've got snacks and a fully stocked fridge, an empty fridge, and then a fully stocked fridge. And of course, they charge you for these, so make sure you check the prices before you grab any. But it's got everything that you could need. The little snack items are weighted. You touch those, you're getting charged for them, so be careful of that. But there's some good stuff in there too, so might come in handy if you stay. Again, you'll pay about 3 times the normal cost on those, but sometimes it's nice to have them in your room. So probably my favorite thing about these rooms are the bathrooms. Look at this, so spacious, really cool decor. The toilet area has its own door that shuts it off, which I always appreciate. You've got 2 sinks, and I just love the lighting in this area. Really nice and well done. We liked the products here. That's another bonus. Just a big, clean, spacious bathroom. And here is the walk-in shower I was telling you about. Really nice shower. And that wall, again, is kind of see-through, but not really. But anyway, brings in light from the other side. Just kind of a cool and unique feature that makes this room kind of unique. So anyway, again, there's the big bathroom. Nice kind of shelving area right here for your products and the towels. And then I love that this wall has a sliding, this door has a sliding wall that shuts to separate the bathroom from the rest of the room, has a full-length mirror on it. And then when you do that, that opens up the closet area right here. Again, lots of space, hangers, your ironing board, your safe, and some shelves. Just kind of a nice little area tucked back in there. So much room. Lots of mirrors in these rooms. Really just spacious. We were pretty impressed with the layout of this space. And then, of course, over here you have the little sitting area. Above the beds, they have these neat little fold-out or pop-out lights that turn on when you bring them out. Just kind of lots of little cool features, and of course the view. I'm always talking about the view. When you stay anywhere really, always ask if there's a room upgrade available. The worst they can say is no, and it's always worth asking in my opinion, because such a big part about traveling is just enjoying your time. And this makes it so nice. You can relax up here, watch the fountains going off, see all of Vegas, and it just kind of enhances your stay. Just such a fun way to get a little bit more out of your experience, in my opinion. So anyway, I'm all about the view. If you've watched my other videos, you know this. It's just kind of something that adds a little extra, especially in Vegas. So back to the room. Again, a 2-queen room here at the Cosmo in Vegas. I'm also going to give you a peek at what this view looks like at night. There you go, looking out over the Strip at night. Again, the Bellagio fountains are going. You can see the Link High Roller off in the distance. You can see all of the other hotels. It's just so fun to take in. Probably you've been down there walking around all day. You can come back and see out to all of the excitement, and just kind of a fun way to add to your room experience. And the Cosmo is known for all of the visual things within the hotel. Restaurants are really well done and exciting. The whole property is really good, but the views are something that I think make this property extra special. So there you go. There is a look at the Cosmo view at night from our room here on the 49th floor. I'm also going to give you a peek at what this view looks like first thing in the morning, because that was another thing that really made our stay special, in my opinion, was waking up and seeing this. So again, not to make this video all about the view, but it could be one of the highlights of your stay here at the Cosmo. And please let me know if you have any questions or comments. You can leave those down below. I will also leave our favorite details about this property, the restaurants and whatnot in the description down below for you. Again, this is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.